Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Android phone security settings. And in today's video, I will show you how to see all app lock on any Android devices. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is go ahead and make sure you look for Phone Master right here. So if I cannot find Phone Master from the home page right here, just make sure you search right here. And then what you need to do is to go ahead and click on here and type in Phone Master, just like so. So go ahead and click on Phone Master right here. So having clicked on Phone Master, next thing you want to do right here is to scroll down right here and then make sure you go ahead and click on Privacy and Security right here. The next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on AppLock. So enter your security lock pattern and allow it to load up. Here we go. Then you have access to all app lock right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial about Android phone device, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.